Today we'll look at the types of YouTube videos to make for real estate leads. Oftentimes you get the advice of get on YouTube, but aren't provided with the how nor the actual content to produce. So today we'll look at the reasons to be on YouTube, the types of videos to make, and the mechanics on how to actually make the YouTube videos. Let's begin. Hey Atime, if we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Question of the day, are you on YouTube? And if you are, what type of content do you make? Let me know in the comment section down below. The first reason to be on YouTube is that it's free. It doesn't cost you anything to upload onto YouTube. Now, of course, the equipment that you use to make the videos is not free, but chances are that you already have everything that you need to get started. You have internet, you have a computer, you have a phone, you have everything that you need to get started. And beyond YouTube being free, you have access to billions of people. Now, of course, you would much rather appeal to the people in your neighborhood so you can help them sell or buy a home. However, you have access to so many people. And it's free. Now, second reason to be on YouTube is that it has a strong SEO, so search engine optimization. Google owns YouTube and it favors its videos. So whenever you're on Google searching for whatever you may be searching for, YouTube videos pop up in the results. So you're problem solving on YouTube and on Google, and both of those operate as a search engine. And the third reason to get on YouTube is that these videos work for you 24/7. While you're sleeping, they're still being viewed by somebody somewhere. The fourth reason to be on YouTube is that it's scalable. You can upload as many videos as you want. Now, they may not all get views, I understand that, but as you start doing more and more videos, you're gonna gather more and more of an audience. And if you want the easy button, you do want to run some YouTube ads behind them so more and more people are introduced to you and your brand. And the fifth reason to be on YouTube is that there's very little real estate agent competition on YouTube. Now, while a good amount of the audience that's watching this video right now may be on YouTube, I can tell you that 99% of real estate agents are not. So it's wide open for you. Now on to the types of videos to make so you can actually get real estate leads. There's nothing more frustrating than uploading for months at a time, years at a time, and not seeing any results. And the first category that I want to address are more of your branding and top of funnel style videos. One of those types of videos is the moving to your town videos. So moving to Chicago, moving to New York, moving to Orlando, those types of videos. In those videos, you highlight things to consider when moving to your particular town. Another type of video is the cost of living video. In this particular video, you're highlighting what it costs generally to live in your particular town. You're highlighting costs like gas prices, grocery shopping, and the average or medium home price in your town. Another video is the best neighborhoods video. When people are moving to Chicago, Dallas, New York, Los Angeles, they don't know anything about the neighborhoods. So you can be that local tour guide. You can share with your audience what to expect at a certain neighborhood and if it might match up with a certain lifestyle that they're expecting. Another branding style video is interviewing business owners in the local community. You'll be highlighting their business, which in turn, those business owners are gonna feel honored and are gonna be likely not only to use you personally, but refer your services to the people that frequent their business. And another powerful branding style video are the client testimonial videos. You can say you're great all day long, but it's not going to be as powerful unless somebody else says it. So provide an opportunity for your clients to give you a client testimonial. Give them questions to answer, prompt them into not necessarily what you want them to say, but give them a template for them to work from. Don't just simply, hey, can you do a client testimonial for me and go. Don't ambush them like that. One quick favor before continuing, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. Also, don't forget to check out my YouTube Ads Mastery for real estate leads. Link in description. Now let's look at bottom of funnel videos. These types of videos are super powerful because people are getting very close to making a decision on what they want to do with their real estate needs. So here you want to make videos that rank when people are searching for best real estate agent in Chicago, best real estate agent near me. Those types of keyword phrases are being searched all day long. Now, you may be thinking, well, people aren't necessarily searching that on YouTube. And you're right. They're not searching for it on YouTube, but remember, we're not only playing the YouTube game, we're playing the Google game. So when people search that on Google all day long, guess whose videos are going to show up? So the videos that you'll make for you to rank on these types of searches are videos highlighting the importance of selecting the best real estate agent in town, or the importance of working with a great real estate agent. Searches like that. Other bottom of funnel videos involve the things to consider when. So things to consider when refinancing, things to consider when selling and buying a home. These types of videos are searched for by people that are more ready to have a real estate conversation. Now let's talk about workflow videos. If you're a bit apprehensive about YouTube, this is actually the best place to start because you're going to be able to use these videos right off the bat. So make listing videos. This is something that you're probably already doing and uploading it to Facebook, but why not upload it to YouTube as well so it can continue gathering steam and views? These types of videos is something that you can use to attract future clients and impress the clients that you're working with already. So these are already part of your workflow. Now to take your workflow to another level, categorize each part of the real estate transaction, record a video about it, and send it to the clients that you're presently working with. This way, it's integrated into your workflow and you have a built-in audience because they're already working with you, so they're going to be increasing your view count. Now, caution, it is too easy to go down a rabbit hole and get too specific. That's going to work against you because if you get so specific, no one's going to watch. And also, if you get so specific on a certain real estate item, a little hiccup that very rarely happens, then you're going to attract people that are in that situation. And most likely, if they're in that situation that calls for such a specificity, they're already in a real estate transaction. So they're not going to be people that are going to work with you anyway. Now, it's okay to make these types of videos, but just be aware that that can potentially happen to you. So make these videos sparingly. Don't make this the primary focus of your YouTube channel. Now, some quick tips when making your YouTube videos. Have a call to action, but be discreet with it. Make it known that you're a real estate agent, but don't push so hard trying to get them to call you or email you or direct message you or anything else like that. Yes, make it known that you're a real estate agent, provide value, and have some subtle hints like overlaying your phone number, your website, your email on the video itself, but make it organic. Don't really push it on them. And when it comes to the call to action, make it something to where the consumer wins. Have a lead magnet or something valuable enough that they want to give you their contact information in exchange for. And another tip to get started right away, because I know that with all of this information, it can still feel a little bit cluttered, make a top 10 video. A top 10 video is a way to present any type of video that we just discussed. So top 10 reasons to move to Chicago. Top 10 reasons why you don't want to refinance. Top 10 reasons why you want to do X, Y, and Z. These are applicable to any type of content or any type of topic that you want to cover. And when it comes to the mechanics of getting started with your videos, the first thing you're going to do is do some keyword research. You can download TubeBuddy, which is an extension that I'll link down below, which is free to you unless you want to do a premium version, that will give you the playbook, will give you how strong of a search term you've selected, the volume that is involved with that search keyword or keyword phrases. It's going to give you a good indicator if it's a good video to make or not. You can also go to your Google Keyword Planner or download Keywords Everywhere to understand what the search volume is for a particular topic that you're researching. Once you have that ready to go, then you're going to record. when you record, make sure that you're articulating and include that keyword and keyword phrase in your speech pattern, in what you're trying to rank for. As an example, I'm trying to rank for YouTube videos for real estate leads. So if you remember the intro, today we'll look at the types of YouTube videos to make for real estate leads. I organically included YouTube videos in real estate leads because I'm trying to rank for those. Now, once you're through recording, you're gonna edit the video. You can edit it as you see here, or you can do a one-shot take if you feel comfortable or most comfortable doing that, which I used to do it that way and it was horrible. And now I just can't do that. I can't do a one take. It's very difficult for me to do. So that's why you have a lot of cuts in between the videos, but it gets more to the point much quicker. Once you're through with editing, you're gonna upload your video onto YouTube and optimize it. So you're gonna include that keyword and keyword phrase that you were trying to rank for in your title, description, and in your video tags. And once it's up, ready to go, you're gonna share it with the world. Share it to everybody. Share it to your database, to your friends, your family, your Facebook page, your LinkedIn page, everywhere. You want distribution, you want people watching your videos so it can start improving in the rankings. This is how you make YouTube videos for real estate leads. If you found value in this video, please be sure to subscribe so we can talk again soon.